Hey, welcome back, guys. This is the last iteration out of the whole letter, graffiti, typography tutorial that I'll be doing. So if it is your first video here, basically I'm painting A to Z. I'm doing it 3 letters at a time, or 2 for this last one. This one's gonna be really experimental. I'm gonna be painting like a monster styling, I think. We'll see what happens and how it sort of comes out. If you've made it for a couple of these videos, or if you've watched the whole thing, leave a comment, because I would just love to see that somebody's actually took like the whole thing in. And if you are one of those people, you probably know what I'm about to say. 3-step process. First is sketch, second is fill, third is outline. Sketch my piece, fill all the colors in, outline at the end. In my art, like my actual artwork, so like I don't really do too many letters and stuff these days, but I mostly paint like monster characters. So we're gonna do Y and Z, and we're gonna try to make it into a monster. So this could look real bad. Let's just check it out, see what happens. Okay, this is gonna be real weird, so probably not the best for teaching, but let's do an eye here. And let's go up. So I usually chuck like a top on my eyes, like this. And let's make this into the Y. So we're gonna go like this. But what we're gonna do to mix it up is let's make this into some teeth. So that right there will be some teeth right here. So you see him? That's his eye there. So that's a Y, sort of, I guess. And then a Z, oh man, probably 1, 2, 3. Let's chuck some gums up the top. Chuck some gums down the bottom, eh? So let's go higher. 1, 2, 3. Like that. So we got the top and the bottom, right? And now we need the eyeball, because that's most important. So let's go, just chuck like 1 down here, and let's connect this. Okay, funky as hell. Jesus, what are we doing here? Actually, let's make this 3 teeth like this. So we have our weird SketchUp. Let's go outsides first, like that, and then fill it in. Let's do the same thing here. And this pink, like, it doesn't have as good of coverage, so you'll find that with your colors, like some will be better than others. That's exactly the case here. We just need like our white bits for the eyes and the teeth. And the whole reason why we do this step-by-step process of sketching, filling, and then outlining is because, I mean, you'd witness it firsthand. If you went to just chuck your lines in right away and then try to paint around it, you're gonna get all this overspray and bits that are like annoying. So this way, the final product is much, much, much cleaner. Okay, final little bit. We're gonna do our outline. I guess this is what happens when you do like an entire alphabet. You start making some weird, weird trippy letters. Notice here like how important this outline is, because before this, like how flat it was and like unrefined. So the thing with an outline is like it can hide all of your imperfections, make everything look clean, hopefully make it look like what it says. But I don't know how much it's going to look like a Y and a Z, but for you guys that have the story, you'll be able to maybe tell. Let's do a weird keyline thing, because it's real trippy looking. So let's try to bring it away from the wall a little bit. Might make it sort of punch out. I think it needs that. It's not going to be a masterpiece anyway, so let's see what this does. Got this weird limey green. Let's make it even weirder. A couple dots, eh? Like gums. Okay, first of all, gums have this. Make them look sort of like, you know, they got their little spiky bits on them. And then let's do some dots. So let's go, here's a technique, big to small or small to big. So if I start with small, and I go a bit bigger, and then even bigger than that. It'll sort of give you a bit of movement. So it sort of looks like it goes like that. You know, it's not crazy, but something cool. We're just going full weird, full weird now. I think I've lost my mind, you know. I've inhaled hours of paint at this point. So, you know, if you have liked this video or these series of videos, remember to really leave some engagement so it makes it worth it. But that, look, man, that'll do. Let me push this back so you can see properly. The sun's bad, so let's have a look first. YZ, sort of, hardly. Let me try one thing. Let's see if it separates it. So that's the Y. I think it's blending in too much together. Then we got our Z at the end. How does that look? YZ. Not amazing, but I think it'll do. That'll do. Sweet. I've officially gone loopy. Let me just move my camera over here because it's in the shade. See, here's what a painting should look like with a bit of time, eh? Something like that. So maybe a little bit better than what you've seen today in the tutorials, but yeah, that's about it for me. I hope you got a little kick out of this, learned a little bit about layering and techniques and different types of things you can get with the spray cans. Like I said before, remember to like and subscribe to my channel because I make videos like this all the time, teaching you techniques on how to paint murals, paint skateboards, do graffiti styling, street art, characters, realism, a bit of everything. So thanks again for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.